and it's empty.
Right. You just get a whole
That is
chicken
not humane.
What?
But you can get the bones and stuff to like make stock.
and soups and stuff.
They
You
sell that too in a container.
Oh
They
my
sell
gosh.
stuff.
Extra ingredients and stuff.
you buy a whole chicken and oh my god, it's cheaper. You buy it and you cut it up and you have the pieces.
No, yeah, it is cheaper to buy chicken like that.
It is.
Why am I doing all this
speak on
manual
this one because,
labor?
you know,
Like,
my mom had this cute chicken.
Right. At least you ain't gotta kill it. You just go to the store, buy a whole chicken and then cut it up. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. I'm gonna go get one
I
tomorrow.
don't want to learn how to do it.
Why?
Because my chicken will come in a package already, cut up for me. I don't understand. I don't want a whole chicken.
What if you want to bake a chicken?
I don't want that. When do I ever eat baked chicken? I don't even eat chicken like that.
What about when you have to like make Thanksgiving dinner and you gotta bake a whole turkey?
Yeah.
I will not be doing that.
Oh my
I
god.
will not.
Morelia.
We have
You take it, but you don't gotta cut it.
We have too many people for us to be cooking our own Thanksgiving dinner that we can go and eat.
Oh my
Like,
god.
why?
I am gonna teach you how to cut a chicken. You have got to know that.
That is not a life skill that is useful for me. I do not need to know how to cut a whole chicken.
Yes, you
I'm going to
do.
disagree. It's
Right.
very useful.
Why? What
Yes.
am I will cut chicken out of my diet completely before I cut up a whole chicken. Like, I do not care.
I bought a whole chicken.
Like,
and I cut it
I'm
up.
not buying a whole
It's
chicken. There's no way.
I'll buy one tomorrow because I'm gonna teach you as a
Like,
mother.
raw meat
I need you
grosses
to
me out
know.
Anyway, so I don't want to be touching, rubbing all over a chicken. That's gross.
Oh my
You gotta
god.
put it in to make it-
No.
That's something you at least need to know.
No, it isn't.
Even if you don't ever do it, it's good to know.
Why?
Cause one day you might get a whole chicken
One
and
day you might
yeah.
only have the option of a whole chicken.
Right. What if they stop selling cut up chicken?
Why? Then I'm stopping eating chicken. I don't care. Why would they stop selling cut up chicken? No one has to. I take it to a butcher and have them cut it up for me.
Oh my lord.
Hey, where
Hey, essay, cut my chicken up right now.
Oh my
Like-
god. Morelia, what's wrong with you? There's nothing wrong with cutting up a chicken.
where are butchers located at?
Oh my
In the
god.
Mexican store.
So, yeah,